bata na yun nakakulong. Sumasayaw po. Bata-batot pa. Masaya siya. Pang ilang minutes na kaya dyan di ma-extend. Basta maraming bola. Ano, maraming laruan. Hindi naman siya na maraming ball. Kaya lang, hindi na kabanatuan. Isa nga sa kabanatuan ko. Gusto naman niya. Baby. Ay, gusto naman ng baby namin. Bigay na lang. Pot. Press mo, press. Hindi pa niya kaya, matigas. Pero pag ano, kaya niya na yan. Pip, pip, pip. Ito. Go. Kaya niya. Wala siya na laruan. Wala siya na laruan. Dapat lahat yan. May laruan na nakabikita na. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Up. Go. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. Uy. Stand up. Binabagtawan siya. Parang ano yun, parang gusto mong lubid. Ang galing. Kuha ko sa video. Ang galing naman ng baby namin na yan. Ang galing naman. Very playful. Okay, tayaan mo lahat yan. Go, isa. Ayan, pwede siyang tumayo kung meron butas na mababa. Pwede ka mababa po sa mababa na play. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Dahil pala may piano din sa inyo. Kasi medyo matigas ko. Ay, play. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap. Kapag may sasalta ka sa nagyayabang yung bata. Baby namin yan. Inabot niya electric fan niya. High five! Babam. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Stand up, baby. Clap, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Woo! Stand up. Matapang yun eh. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Ang cute naman ang baby namin na yan. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Good, good, good. Stand up. Yay! It's good. Very good. Well done. Well done. Tapos ang maganda din yung gumagawa siya ng hindi tayo ng ay, malab. Malab. Malabal. Saka parang mas malaki. Dahil yung mga lawan matuto ka na magbalik-balik sa sala. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Patayo ka. Babay ko si Mami. Babay, Mami. Babay. Babay yung electric fan. Babay ko electric fan. Bye-bye. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Manlab. Wala, wala pa. No hands yun. No hands pa siya. Hirapan. Hey, don't eat that one. Ayan, sinasundan ko. Kayang-kaya. Wait. Manab! Manab! You got it! Galing na ng baby namin Isa! Hello, Manab! Come here! Come here! Come! Very good, good job, Rebecca. Good job. One more time. Ang galing na niya. Yes, you did it. You did it. Okay, sit down. Have a seat. Galing ng baby na. Come, baby. Come on. Itay. Oh, here's your towel. Come on. Here's your towel. Come on. Here's your towel. Come. Come back to me. Come back to me. I'm coming. Mama is coming. Can get this. Mama is coming. Can get this. Oh, madilim ng paligid. Madilim na